Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to time track in Jira. So all you need is a project. So if you've created any project and you're working in that project, all you need to do is go to the left-hand side and select that project. Come over here to the top where it says create, and we're going to click on create. Now this will create an issue, and then from here you want to go down, and this will work on any task type. Okay, so we're going to leave that just like that, and we are going to change the summary here. You can add a summary of what the issue actually is. All right, so let's just make a deadline for filming, and here you can give a description, and as you go down here you will have to add a due date. So we're going to select a due date, and let's say the 11th. We're going to come down here, and there is an original estimate. So this original estimate is how much work remains until the issue will be resolved. So as you can see, it's 2 weeks, 1 day, 5 hours, and 4 minutes. Now what we can do here is change this so that we can track how much time is being used on this specific issue that we have created. You can also select a start date. So this allows the planned start date to be commenced for the piece of work that is being set, or the issue that we are talking about over here. You can also add a category, choose teams that will be working on this, and over here we're going to click on create, and you will now be able to track the time on this specific issue within your project. Now if this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.